I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This is a 613 wig from my Diva hair on Aliexpress. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored, guys. I'm actually a little scared this time, so we're gonna see what's in this package. This is a 613 wig. They go up to 40 inches. I'm super excited to open this thing up. We're going to go ahead and get into it, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so once again, this wig is from my Diva hair. This is their 613 wig. I got 34 inches. But this company actually goes up to 40 inches, but I was being cheap. And I don't think I just wanted something just super long, but it's the fall. It's the fall, guys. So I want to do like a gingery cinnamon hair color like I've been seeing on Twitter. I want like the old SZA hair color. I ordered from Emma a while ago, a different Aliexpress company. And they also went to 40 inches, but I'm not sure if they had 250% density like this company has. So we're gonna see if it's actually heavy, if it's actually a nice thickness. So I always tell you guys, before you place your order, message the vendor and see if they actually have the particular like length, lace size, lace length, or whatever that you want. I didn't do that this time, so I'm pretty scared. Like, I want to see if this is actually true to length or if they just sent me anything they had in stock. So we gonna see, guys. Okay, so here it is. Choose us, choose beautiful. Here's the box. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Okay, nice. Has a coupon. Very cutesy. Wig cap, and on here it says 250% density. It has a little sticker on it, but there's the wig. Let's look at it. Okay, so like I said, this is 34 inches. Let me pull up the my Aliexpress order. So yeah, so for 34 inches, a 613, 250% density, 13x4 lace frontal wig, it was $316. And then you can use coupons, y'all. So definitely make sure you get coupons on Aliexpress. But let's go ahead and see what I have here. I've been seeing all the girlies talk about ginger hair for the fall. I want the old SZA ginger look. I just need the perfect 613 wig to do that with. And y'all, this looks good. This is looking nice. Okay, here it is. So here's the wig. It is like super full. But let's start at the top and look at the lace. It does have like a little warehousey smell. I can smell that. But let's actually look at this wig some. So I kind of told y'all this a little while ago. I kind of noticed like the less lace they give you at the top, the better the lace usually is. So when they give you like a lot of lace like above the hairline, it's probably thicker, cheaper lace. When it's a better quality lace, they're probably going to give you less. Because first of all, it's probably more expensive anyway, but it's usually like a shorter amount of lace like this. It looks like good lace, should be easy to blend. There are like a few short hairs. I don't care about that. I don't see why people care about short hairs up front, because you mousse them down, you guys. You mousse your hair down. And second of all, everyone has short hairs at the front of their hairline, really. So it's not like a full 13x4 wig. So the 13x4, you get like the 4 inches that go back in the middle, and then on the sides you get maybe 2 inches there. Got combs inside, looks like it's constructed well and all that. It's giving big head friendly, got some stretch in there. But this wig looks really good though. Like, it's nice and full all the way to the ends, which I'm loving. It's really cutesy. The knots are nice, not like huge or anything. I can work with them. Like, I just want the most beautiful ginger wig. Like, I just want it to give. Let me run my fingers through it a little bit. I did get a strand right there. I got one single strand. That's not bad. Like, I would expect that, to be honest, but This is really nice. I like this wig. I gotta play with it a little bit. I want to see how it dyes, if it dyes well. Let me know if you all want to see me dye this wig ginger. I'm probably gonna film it anyway, just because, but there isn't like tangling or anything. Very nice, very nice. Let me let's actually measure this wig and see if it's actually 34 inches, which is what I ordered. We're gonna hold the measuring tape about right there. Okay, so unstretched, I'm getting 32 inches. So yeah, it's gonna be 34 inches when you stretch it. So stretched, I get, let me flip it. Stretched, I don't know where I need to hold it so y'all can see it. Stretched, I get about 35, 36 inches. So yes, it's true to length, you guys. I'm really excited. Well, anyway, I saw this picture of Lala. She had like some really long cinnamon hair or something, and I was like, oh, that's really cute. I do kind of want to copy that color. Last year I did like the Black Widow, really kind of more reddish orange, like the orange from As Told by Ginger, like a little redness in it. But this year I want to go more like orange, like I want to see how that looks, if I can pull that off or not. We'll see. Like, I was too scared to do that last time, but I really want to see what that looks like. The hair is super thick, which I'm loving. I might want some like really nice layers in the hair, make it do like give it the 90s long layers look, to where it kind of like folds in. You see people do something like that. Nice. I can't wait to play with it. Like 613 weeks are just like a blank I was gonna pronounce that so wrong. 613 wigs are just like a blank canvas. Like, you could turn it into anything. And I really want to do a nice ginger wig. Like, look at those ends. Those ends look so good. I was scrolling on, I was on YouTube trying to look at like ginger wig reviews, like ginger watercolor tutorials and stuff. And I actually didn't see that many, or ones that were the color I wanted them to be, but I felt like it would be just so many of them. So, this plant is the perfect color of what I kind of did last year. Let me show you. So this is like the color I did last year, I think, but I want something a little more like orangey than this, even though this one is really pretty. But yeah, I think I want something a little more orange. But yeah, this is really cute, because this has like a certain like red to it. But yeah, this is cute. I ordered 3 wigs at once. I also have like another 613 wig coming, but I'm going to probably keep that blonde, or like I'm gonna tone it but change it to a different blonde. But I'm so excited for this wig. The ends are giving, is super thick, which I love, love, love. So the company is called My Diva Hair Factory online store. I'm going to put it in the description box, put the exact link to this particular wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.